Hey guys, it's me, Red Crab VR, and I wanted to say something before I start this video. This is a very old video of mine. And, well, it's not that old, but it's before I was Red Crab VR. And the only reason I am uploading this video is because this was a collab, which collabs are pretty important. And I just wanted to explain that's why I look different in this video. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Okay. Hey guys, I'm sorry, we've lost 16 minutes of footage. Because if you record anything higher than 12 minutes, it doesn't let you download it to your device. So, let's get started.
Wait, what am I gonna say? Okay, first, let's get out of this place. What's up, guys? It's finally the day that we're collabing with Blue Ice.
Sorry, one second. I guess we're both posting a video.
Yes, he has one hand, so it's...
Yes, I am known for having one hand on my YouTube channel. So if you see a gorilla, monkey, it looks like me. I found it, and then he told me this cool color code. I really like it. Really like it.
No one can see because you're wrong.
It looks cool. I love it. Okay, let's
see. It looks better. What am I doing with my camera?
I
haven't used it.
I
have an easy solution. Which you can't do. Oh my, this is gonna be hard for you.
Okay.
Wait, I forgot. You can use this. Come over here. Jump on the light.
Wow, when you did that, and I tried to replicate it, I almost bounced off the light. I bounced off of it. I guess I'm gonna do what I usually do in forest with the treehouse, I guess.
So, I'm just talking.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Maybe if I do what you showed me again and I bounce off the light switch, it'll make me get on the light switch. Wait, one second. Nope.
Wait.
Didn't work.
Wait, Rock Monkey would help you jump higher. Rock Monkey help you. Or maybe I just didn't want to do that. But it actually does help.
We can't back.
Just jump and wall run for 1 second. Do you even know how to wall run?
No. Okay, what if I just... Oh, well, sorry, I accidentally did that. Give it back to me.
Yo, what's up, guys? Oh my god.
Give it back to me. Give it back to me. Give it back to me.
Here. Stand right here. Stand right there. Don't move. No! Okay, don't move.
Don't move. Thank you so much. If I bounce off this wall.
What is behind here? Nothing. There's nothing. There's literally nothing.
Well, I can't get in there, so. One time I went in there. I did. I went in there.
That's my first time going. I never go in.
Oh my gosh, I almost did it.
When did you start playing Gorilla Tag?
My birthday.
When was your birthday?
It's a holiday. It's not Christmas.
Mine's a holiday. Mine's St. Pat's Day.
If you can guess when my birthday is, I'll give you $5.
March 17th.
No, somebody called. I'm gonna give you a hint. Somebody called me a witch because my birthday was on this day. Somebody literally called me a witch.
No. Halloween. Halloween.
Yes, definitely. Definitely. Thank you for getting it right. I almost did it. Oh my gosh, I got wedged between the dang thing and the... I got wedged between the wall. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, I'm not.
So, what's up, guys? You probably don't know where I am because you probably were just watching my video.
So,
wait, are you subscribed to my channel?
Yes, I do.
Don't.
I am subscribed. I'm subscribed to basically, mostly
And I saw your video, and you said that I was your child.
Yes, every single subscriber of mine is my child. Don't get mad at
When
that.
you hit 50 subscribers, you should watch. Because you're actually close. I want to hit 50. I haven't gained a subscriber in so long.
I got like 2. I need like 2 more to get 50.
Wait, I thought you were at 45 still.
No, I checked my account this morning and it said 48. Oh, I did it.
Okay, yes, you're gonna make it. But now there's that.
Yeah, I don't like that ladder. What the heck was that?
Just do this. Just do this. Oh my god. Yes, that's actually the best solution. With one hand, you go onto this. I've done it before, and then you go onto this, and then you boost up, and then hit from the other side. And I just fell. Oh, did you see my post? Newest post?
Yes.
It's like the post thing. My finger injury.
Yes. I have seen your finger injury. It was... What happened to your finger that made it hurt? Why am I trying to sound like an NPC right now? It's hard to grip onto these things.
Okay. So,
Oh gosh.
the injury was from Gorilla Tag.
What'd they do? What happened?
So,
I want to
playing Gorilla
teleport.
Tag.
How do I teleport?
Should have never gone down there.
Yeah, we should
I
have
was
not.
playing Gorilla Tag. I hit my finger. I cut it, and then it hurt for a while. It was a deep cut, and then it healed. And then I was playing Gorilla Tag again after it healed. My mom opened the door while I was playing, and I hit the cut in the same spot. I hit my door on the same spot. Because my house is getting torn up and I'm in my small room.
Your house is getting torn up? That sounds sad.
Not, it's like getting remodeled.
Oh, then why'd you say torn up? It sounds...
It is torn up right now. I have no kitchen.
My timer literally just went off. It's to call my husband.
Wait, what?
Don't freak out. I have a husband. My viewers know this. You don't? I was
No.
literally on that platform. Oh my gosh.
I did watch your video. I just got attacked by by a gorilla or something.
I'm gonna sit on my bed so this is easier. Wait, no. That would not make it easier. I wish I was in my living room right now. Guys,
Guys, sit down.
one like to help me. One like to help me. One like, or
That's not gonna do anything.
I'm joking. Don't like the video if you think it's bad. Don't.
Now you're not gonna get likes.
Okay, okay. So you can like the video, subscribe if you want. Yeah. I really want to hit 50 so I can do a 50K, not 50K, 50 subs.
Oh my, what? What the heck?
Yes, I know. I mistake my words. Are you okay? You okay? You okay? You're red now. Now I'm red. Now we're all red. And now we all scream for ice cream.
What?
Oh gosh.
Oh, I might have to go soon, because my headset's gonna die. How
Oh,
much percent is that? I have to check.
oh my gosh.
Oh,
What is it?
no.
What is it? Oh no.
Checking, it's really low. It's at 11%.
You can do what I do.
What?
I
Sit
just
down.
sit by the wall.
Sit down, get your blanket, and then just rest.
No, no. I go to the wall. I put in the charger.
Yeah, I'm gonna set my new boundary and charge it. And then get my blanket and rest.
Okay.
But first, I'm gonna go to forest. How long is it gonna take? Here.
Oh. I wish we could teleport in this part. We can't. It's hurting. It's hurting.
You can teleport.
I can teleport in this game right now?
Yeah.
How?
No, you have to get mods.
Man, I don't. Then why did you say, I said right now, and you said, oh, yeah, you can. And I was like, oh.
Hold on. I'm about to go get my blanket. Tell me when you get up. Actually, I'll see you.
Guys, I might have to leave and rejoin. That's sad. That's sad. That's sad. I don't want to do that. But I guess I'm going to have to. Goodbye until I find my way out of here. Guys, looks like I got out of here earlier than suspected. I didn't even have to rejoin.
My hands are gone.
But you're moving your hands. Like, I saw you just move your hands. Like, you're moving.
Oh, they're back. I'll have to get on my knees and then I'll down. Ow!
Yeah, it's really
painful
at first, but then when you get like used to it, like I did that.
I'll never get used.
I did that in my collaboration with my boyfriend and my subscriber, cause like
Who is that person?
my subscriber that that was also gonna do a
yeah,
collab.
I've seen you. Yeah, I've seen that video. I've seen it. It was a story.
It was a story.
Story time on how I accidentally got a voice.
No, not that. No. Not. No, I'm gonna tell you the full story, and I'm gonna. So I have the video that I made with my boyfriend, long-term video, not YouTube short. Like it was here in that video where it was like about like me like accidentally getting a boyfriend. I was on my mom's account, and I already had a husband.
Oh yeah, I remember. And
I made a video with him and my friend.
Your mom has an account?
She has an account on VR, but I just downloaded Gorilla Tag on there so I can like play without anyone like realizing it's me. It's me. Blue eyes.
I'm watching YouTube. I'm looking up your channel.
You should already know my channel. You're subscribed.
I'm not subscribed on my thing.
Hey.
My door.
Oh.
Cause my I post on an iPad. Yeah, pretty.
Oh.
I just searched up my.
I just scratched my closet.
And I'm watching my YouTube.
I scratched
You more.
my closet.
My newest video.
I'm gonna sit on my bed.
Now.
This feels like a little better. Feel good. I really need to go to the bathroom, but we're not gonna talk about that until this video's over.
Wait, how long have you been needing?
Like 10 minutes.
Aw, YouTube is... Wait, when did they add 3D? What the frick?
I was trying. Wait, one sec. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just saw the inside of a gorilla.
What video should I watch? I'm watching Fizzy.
Sir, I'm trying to back up. But I don't even know your name. I'm
You
glad.
don't know my YouTube name?
I know your YouTube name. I don't know your real name. And I'm glad because I don't know if you want to say it on. It's funny. It's funny how it has my old color code on this thing, but down there it's my new color code.
I don't even know your name.
Don't. If you look at the video where like me and my boyfriend and my friend are playing gorilla tag, you can see in the video. You can all the parts that are bleeped out. That's my name. All the parts that are bleeped out, all of them, is when my boyfriend told my friend my name.
I don't know what to...
Sir, come here. Sir, if you don't know what to do, you have what is called, it's right up here. It's right up here. It's a brain. I'm joking, but still. I do this to everyone,
Why? What the frick?
don't be that.
Fizzy's using a golf club. What? Right controller only?
Trying to massage my dang head real quick.
What did you just say? What the heck is this?
I had to massage my head because it was hurting.
And I'm just gonna...
My head itches. 1 second.
1 day ago, how many videos do I have?
256,859.
I probably recorded video... Okay, the longest video ago, I have too many that I can't even...
Sir.
This... Oh,
Sir.
yeah?
Sir.
No.
Okay, I'm walking away.
It's me back when I had this fit. Aww.
It's so cute. I can't see you, but very, very cute. Very cute. I can't see what you're looking at.
Purple color code with that purple beanie thing with the bow tie and the Z-bag.
Okay, guys.
I'm gonna put it on right now.
I think that is it for the video. But I will make sure to do more videos with my
recording. I just forgot that.
I will do more videos with my fans.